Welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Give me your thumbs up. Please share these videos out. I make them every morning at 6 o'clock. Here lately, I've been making a couple every day. Please come back and watch every one of them. It would help me out tremendously. At the end of this video, I'm going to have my update on my wife. Pretty soon, there won't be any more updates because she's going to be here on video too. Okay, let's get into the stimulus stuff. If y'all remember, a few days ago, Steve Mnuchin said that they would be working really fast on this bill to get it passed. Steve, what happened? Did you drop the ball, son? You're not working very fast. As you know, we were supposed to get a stimulus bill on Monday. That didn't happen. Then we were supposed to get it on Tuesday. Still, that didn't happen. Wonder what they're doing. They're killing time is what they're doing. Chuck Schumer said yesterday that he don't think Mitch McConnell is interested in any bill. I tend to agree with him. I've been saying this for weeks. Mitch McConnell does not want a bill. And the reason I say that is the way he's acted from day one. The House sent him the bill, their proposal, 2.5 months ago almost. He sat on it, did nothing until they went out on recess. And then he came back, went on recess again, and still nothing. That tells me that he's not wanting to even do a package. That's okay. In November, he's not going to have a job to go to. But of course, he's a billionaire, so it don't really matter to him if he goes to work or not. But at least we'll be rid of him. Okay, let's talk about this bill. What's going to be in it? The enhanced unemployment, it will be going from $600 per week to $200 per week. And that's until the end of September. And then it's going to be 70% of your income. Now, this is subject to go up. It can be negotiated. This is not the final thing. It's not final until they sign the bill. Excuse me, I'm sorry. We know stimulus checks will be in this bill. They will be $1,200 for a single person, $2,400 for a married couple, $500 for each dependent. No age limit on the dependent and no limit on how many dependents. PPP money will be getting another $190 billion. Schools will get $105 billion. Now that's going to be broke down to private school, colleges, and then regular schools. Different amounts. $42 billion will be going to COVID testing and research. $1.75 billion will go to pay off Donald Trump's, it will go to pay for the FBI building right next to Trump Tower. That's something that Donald Trump wanted, and I thought he hated the FBI because they was wanting to investigate him. Read what you want to into that. Y'all, the people that's on SSI, SSDI, Social Security, and Railroad pension will be getting this check. Basically, if you got it last time, you'll get it this time. People in prison will not be getting it. If you owe back child support, you will not be getting it. This is going to be a one-time check, and like I said before, it's just a proposal. It's not a bill yet. It can be negotiated. It can be more. I doubt it's going to be a reoccurring check, but it could be more. We don't know. We'll just have to wait and see on that. Y'all, I most likely will not have another video today. This will most likely be the only one. All depends on if anything major happens. If anything major happens, I will come in and do a quick video. But past 2 days, nothing really major has happened. Okay, the update on my wife. Okay, I talked to her again last night. They've already changed her paperwork. She's not in ICU anymore per se. She is in progressive care. They just hadn't got a bed available for her yet. And just as soon as they do get a bed, they're going to move her. So they probably moved her overnight. I will talk to the nurse this morning. So that's one step closer home, and I'll take it. Yesterday when I called her, well, I didn't call her. I called to talk to the nurse. The nurse was in the room, and I didn't know it when I was talking to the nurse. She said that she's been doing leg exercises with my wife because she wants my wife to be able to get up and start walking. She said my wife is sitting up in the bed now, feeding herself supper. She said all of her vital signs is perfect. All of her blood work is perfect. She said she's got her oxygen turned all the way down to 25. I don't know what that means, but she said that's very low. It's just there to assist her a little bit. Then she said, "Do you want to talk to your wife?" I said, "Sure, if I can." Well, I didn't know she was standing right there. So she handed her cell phone to my wife. We talked. And I told you I talked to my wife the day before. Well, and she sounded real good. Well, last night she even sounded better than the day before. She was joking, laughing. The whole conversation was mostly joking and laughing. She's really feeling a lot better. I can still tell she's having trouble talking, but it's still a lot better than it was. If you remember, the doctor basically told me she wasn't coming home. Goes to show what the doctor knows. He don't know my wife and he don't know my God. But she's doing so much better. She wants some fresh fruit. She would eat fresh fruit 24/7, I think. But they don't want her to have fresh fruit right now because it's kind of hard. They want her to have the canned fruit. She don't like canned fruit, so she won't eat it. But she is doing a lot better, and I thank God for that, and I thank you all for your prayers on that. I can't wait for the day that I can say there's no more updates, but here she is right beside me. That's coming. There was let me get his name right here. There's a preacher in Louisiana, Larry Baden, I believe is how you say his last name. He called me the day that Amy was so bad, and he prayed with me over the phone, and I really appreciated that. Then he called me again yesterday, and I appreciated that. You don't know what that meant to me. Y'all don't know what your cards and letters and emails and everything means to me. I've adopted all of y'all as my family. Whether you like it or not, you're stuck with me. But I just thank God, and I thank y'all for your prayers. But y'all, we will get out of this. This whole pandemic thing is going to go away. God's going to take care of that just like he's taking care of my wife. I'm not going to turn this into a preaching show. I could if you want me to, but I won't. But he is going to take care of everything. I have faith in that. He's never let me down. He got me through cancer. The doctor had already given up on me. The doctor had already called in hospice. I'm still here. God is the best physician in the world. Y'all, I make these videos every morning, so please come back. 6 o'clock every morning, I will have a video ready to go. Now, this past week or so, I've been doing the second and sometimes the third video. That's going to go away when the stimulus package goes away. But we will be getting another stimulus package. So you're stuck with me even longer. When I get through with all the stimulus stuff, I'm going to get right into building a YouTube channel, building your business online. Y'all stick around. I've been on online business for 11 years now. That's all I've done for the past 11 years. And I've made very good money at it. And I want to show y'all how it's done. But I want to get through all this pandemic stuff first. Y'all just know I love you all, and you are my family. It don't take blood to make a family. I love you all. Until tomorrow. Ciao.